fritters. Now let's look at the ingredients. We'll need chopped apples, flour, baking soda, cinnamon powder, lemon juice, water, oil, ghee, powdered sugar, curd and vanilla essence. Now let's start making our apple fritters. All the measurements will be in the description box below. Need some apples. We'll add in the cinnamon powder, vanilla essence and lemon juice. We'll just give this a good mix. And half of the sugar. Now this is well combined, we'll set this aside. Now we'll start baking our batter. We'll add in the flour, baking soda and the rest of the sugar. Now we'll mix the dry ingredients. Now we'll add in some yogurt. And some water. Make sure the batter is lump-free and not watery. Now we'll add in the apple mixture. We'll fold in the apples. Now we'll add in the ghee. We'll add in the oil too. Now we'll scoop in the batter. Make sure they've turned golden brown. We'll place them on a plate that's lined with tissue paper. Fritters are ready. I dusted them with powdered sugar. You can have it with chocolate syrup, maple syrup, honey, whatever